Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 second lesson polynomials lesson exercise 2.4. First I will give the identities. This exercise based upon identities. See here, first formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these four identities we learnt in 8th standard. First one, second one, third, fourth we learnt already in 8th standard. Next, this one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next, a plus b whole cube. With bracket, without bracket. See here, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Without bracket means this bracket we will remove. A cube plus b cube plus 3a into a square. B. See here, 3 into this one into this one. 3a into a square b. 3a square b plus this one into this one. 3a b into b square. So without bracket, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Next, a minus b whole cube. With bracket, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Everyone a minus will come. Next, without bracket, a cube minus b cube. Next, minus into plus minus 3ab into a. 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab square. Without bracket, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Next, one more identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab. Say otherwise you use x also. This formulas also you can use x or a also, no problem. See here, a using means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, this is the 8th formula. Next, same using this formula, again will come this formula also. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next, a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next, last identity, 11th identity. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So, any question given means in this one which formula we apply, you can apply and you solve it. This full exercise 2.4 depend upon these formulas only. So, first I am giving all the formulas here. Actually up to year formula, up to 8th formula. So, 9 and 10 depend upon 6 and 7. Okay. Next, 11th formula, what is there? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So, now we will keep in our mind these formulas and we will start the exercise. This is I given all formulas at a time. You can note it. Okay. Now we will start exercise 2.4. Now first question, use suitable identity to find the following products. So, which identity is possible? You can think it and you solve the questions. This is the first question. X plus 4 into x plus 10. So, here what is the chance is there? X plus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So, here I will explain here. X plus 4 into x plus 10. Okay, x plus 4 into x plus 10. What is the chance is there? X plus a into x plus b. Okay, carefully see here, same number, here same number and this ab different is there, means we will use this identity. X plus a into x plus b identity. What is the identity is there? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the identity. X plus a into x plus b. Already we learnt this one in 8th standard. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. See here, x means what here? X only. A means 4. B means 10. You can mention here. X is equal to x. A means 4. Next, B means 10. So in this formula you apply it. See here, first x square, x means x only. So you can write here x square plus a plus b. A plus b means 4 plus 10 into x means x only, plus ab means a into b, 4 into 10. So you will get now answer x square plus 4 plus 10, 14 into x, 14x plus 4 tens are 40 is the answer. This is the first question. So you can think which identity will apply and that identity write it, in that formula you can mention the values, means you will get the answer. This is the first answer. Next we will move to second question. X plus 8 into x minus 10. Now see here, x plus 8 into x minus 10. X minus 10. See beta here, same number is there, this first number, second number different is there. Here plus 8 is there, here minus 10 is there. So which formula we will use here? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, keep in your mind these formulas. Okay, so this one, in this one, x means what? X only. X means x. A means 8. A means 8. Next b means minus 10. Okay, b means minus 10. Minus is there, means you mention it. Okay, a value, b value, x value. In this formula we applied, means we will get answer. First what is there? X square. X means x only. So I am applying, say, x square plus a means 8 plus b means what is there? Minus 10. Okay, now confuse is there, means x square plus a plus b, x square plus a plus b. A plus b means minus 10 into x is there, x you take. Next ab means a into b, 8 into minus 10 you will get. Now see here, x square plus 8 plus into minus 10 into x plus into minus 8 tens are 80. Now see here, x square plus this 2 simplified means a big number sign is the minus, 10 minus 8 2. You will get minus 2 x minus 80. Now see here, x square plus into minus 2x minus 80 is the answer. See here fair notes also I given. X square minus 2x minus 80 is the answer. Now third question. Now we will move to third question. Now third question. See, what is the third question? 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Here I will say, see, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. This one we will simplify. Same formula. First number same is there. Second number different is there. Means we will use this formula. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This formula we will use. See here, x means what? 3x. X means 3x. A means 4. A means 4. Next b means, you can mention particularly, minus 5. A means 4, b means minus 10. So these values you apply in this equation. First x square. X square means what? 3x whole square plus a plus b. A plus b means 4 plus minus 5. 4 plus, confuses them, means minus 5, right? A plus b. Next plus ab. AB means 4 into minus 5. Okay. Now see here, this square is applied 2 numbers. 3 3s are 9. X into x, x square plus bracket 4 plus into minus 5 into x. Next 4 5s are 20. Plus into minus we will write minus, 4 5s are 20. Now we will remove this one, 9x square. See here, this 2 simplified means what you will get? Minus 1 into x minus 20. Now see here, 9x square plus into minus x minus 20. This is the answer. Now see here, fair notes also I given. 9x square minus 3x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is the fourth question. Here I will explain fourth question. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Here which formula will apply? Okay, see here observe, see, a plus b, same number, here also same number, here also same number, but sign different is there, means we will use this formula. First number same, second number same, middle here plus here minus is there, means we will use this formula. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now see here, a means what? Y square. A means what? Y square. Next, b means 3 by 2. B means 3 by 2. You can apply in the equation, you will get C. A plus b into a minus b. What is the answer? A square minus b square. A square means a means y square, a square. A square minus b square means 3 by 2 whole square. Now see here, 2 to the 4. Y to the power of 4 minus this power is considered this also. So 3 3 is a 9, 2 to the 4. This is the answer. Okay. Now fifth question. See Baba, fifth question what is there? 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. See here also. See here, first same number is there. Second also same number is there. Different sign is there. Minus plus minus. No problem. Same formula. Reverse you write. It is a into, no? A plus b into a minus is b is there. Reverse write. A minus b into a plus b. This one I am writing. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A means what? 3. You mention here. A means 3. Next, b means 2x. Okay. A means 3, b means 2x. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square means a means 3 square minus b square means 2x whole square. Right here, 3 3 is a 9 minus square is considered this also. So 2 to the 4 x into x square. Okay, this is the answer. See here, 9 minus 4x square is the answer. This is the fair notes. You can use it. This is very easy exercise, but a formula based exercise. You have to keep in your mind all the formulas. Okay, starting I given the list. So those are all formulas you have to keep in your mind. We will do it. Okay. Now again, this is the first sum and the formulas over. Next second sum I will explain next video. Again, you have any doubt also comment it, subscribe my channel. Done.